Hello entrepreneurs, this is Michael Mort with Argent Place Law, and today I want to talk to you about registered agents. What is that? Well, when you want to take advantage of the limited liability for owners of a new company, you register that company as an LLC or corporation in some state. When you do that, the state is going to ask you for the name and address of the registered agent for the company. What is this registered agent? Well, think like this. You're creating a new person, basically giving birth to a new person when you register this company. And just like many persons, this new person in the form of a company needs like a guardian or somebody that there can be official communications had with this company. So the registered agent, for example, the registered agent is required to take notice of a lawsuit that somebody wants to file against your company. Therefore, the registered agent's name and address is publicly available just by contacting the state or by looking it up online, so that anybody that needs to contact you in an official capacity can look up the registered agent. And usually the only requirement, the only duty of a registered agent is to forward such notices to the company. So who can be a registered agent? Well, that differs a little bit by state. In every state, there's the requirement that the registered agent be a citizen and resident of that state. In Virginia, they have the requirement that the registered agent must also either be an owner or a designated manager of the company or an attorney. Maryland and DC do away with the owner-manager requirement. So, for example, if you're an owner of a company, and a resident of the state in which you register your company, you can always be your own registered agent. But if, for example, you live in Maryland and you commute to Virginia every day and you have your company set up in Virginia, you can't be the registered agent because you're a resident of Maryland and not Virginia. If it's the other way around, you live in Virginia and commute to Maryland every day, but your parents live in Maryland, or you have a friend that lives in Maryland, those people, your parent, one of your parents or your friend, as long as they agree to it, they could be your registered agent because they're citizens. And Maryland doesn't have the requirement that they be an owner or a designated manager. Many companies decide that they're going to use their lawyer as the registered agent. It's just simpler. The lawyer's name and address is going to be publicized. You can keep your personal name and address out of the picture. It doesn't have to be publicized that way. And you don't have to worry about if you move the company. The lawyer will take care of all of that. Just his fixed office will be your registered agent. So that's it. That's what a registered agent is, and that's why you need one in every state where you have your company does business. I'm Michael Mort, attorney for entrepreneurs, and thanks for listening. Until next time.